Good day to you. My name is John Nicholas B. Michael, and I'm currently a third year student, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, majoring in Financial Management at the University of Mindanao, Tagum College, here in the Philippines. So I'm currently applying to join the summer work and travel program as I see it as a valuable opportunity to gain real world experience, develop personal discipline, and experience cultural change. I am particularly interested in housekeeping because it is a role that requires responsibility, organization, and attention to details. I believe that I am well suited for this position because I am organized, responsible, and committed to working efficiently while following standards and collaborating with a team. Through this work, I hope to gain practical skills in discipline, accountability, and time management, which will help me grow personally and professionally. I believe that the experience and value I gain in housekeeping, such as reliability, efficiency, and attention to details, will directly contribute to my future career in financial management, where precision and responsibility are essential. Aside from my study, I enjoy hiking, camping, and playing basketball and traveling. Activities that teach me teamwork, perseverance, and adaptability. I believe my combination of academic knowledge, practical skills, and positive attitude make me ready to take on new challenges and contribute meaningfully to any team. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I look forward to the opportunity to apply my skills and dedication to the summer work and travel program. Once again, my name is John Nicholas B. Michael, a BSBA financial management student from the University of Mindanao, Tagum College.